Hey guys, Technomentary with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to properly put on camera protector ring covers on your camera lens on the iPhone 14. Now, these rings that you see are going to be put on top here, but you have to follow a certain step to make sure you properly put them in. We're going to show you guys how to do that and the best way to get that done. So if you guys don't know, you can purchase these off Amazon or eBay, which will leave the link in the description section. They're an extra precautionary measure to make sure that there's no scratches or crack that happen on the camera lens on the iPhone 14. As you can see, the cameras are a little bit raised, so if you don't use a case, or if you use a case, sometimes it could be popping out, and that's where these ring cover protector for the lens come in really handy. Highly recommend it if you guys don't use that. So let's go ahead and show you how to install these. So first thing is first is if it's a new phone, make sure you use a microfiber cloth or something to just simply remove any light dust or anything like that. The other thing is, a quick tip is that make sure you wash your hand with soap so you don't have hand grease while you're working with these lenses, because you don't want to get your hand grease on it. So be very careful not to touch any of that. So just slightly light it off, make sure there's no dust or anything. You can also use the alcohol wipe or something to just make sure there's nothing whatsoever on these camera lenses. The next thing you want to do is get these cover lens. These come in two different ways. This is one type of ones, which are the actual rings. You can also purchase a whole cover just like this, which you did another video, so you can get these kind or the other kind. So both kind works, but for this one we're going to be specifically doing the ring, and we'll show you how to do the other type, the ones that we have in another video, something like this where you can also put on that, which might be easier. So we'll do the ring in this video. So again, after you cleaned it, you take the ring. The key here is whenever you're taking off, there's adhesive already pre-installed on the back here. You're going to take this off, and you're going to avoid touching that glass at the bottom on the back, because you don't want to get finger or dust or grease again. So you pull this tab up just like this. So you pull it up very gentle, and then as you can see here, this will sit right on the lenses themselves. So you're going to go ahead, line it up as careful as you can. And again, these should just simply sit. So I usually take the microfiber cloth and slide it on, and then press it down. Hold it, just simply lightly press it. They already have adhesive, so it will just stick right on just like that. Same thing, repeat the process for the other one. As you know, the iPhone 14 has two cameras on the back. So we'll take this, again, hold it just like that so you don't get it. Or if you have like a tweezer, you can also use a tweezer to do it so that you don't get anything on it. Again, same thing, they sit really nicely and flush just like that. And as you can see, once you put it on, press it down. Of course, it will make the lens rise up just like that, as you can see. But again, a really good measure to do if you're going to be using it. You can find these in different colors. This one doesn't quite match. You got the blue ring on a purple 14, but of course you can get it specific color that you like and customize it just like the way you want it. Again, really easy to install just like that, and we'll show you how to take them off too if you're going to be replacing it. But again, does really help a lot when it comes to lens from scratching or cracking or getting damaged. So hopefully you guys found this quick little video helpful. If so, make sure to like and subscribe button, and see you guys next time.